Good morning, students. How are you? Students, in previous lecture, I complete to find zeros of the polynomial and verify relationship between the coefficients. But now, students, we discuss on if zeros of the polynomial is given. Yes, students. If zeros of the polynomial is given and we find that polynomial. Yes, students. Now we discuss on if zeros of polynomial is given and we find that polynomial. Yes, students, if zeros of polynomial is given and we find that polynomial. So, students, suppose let alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial p of x. I repeat this. Let alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial p of x. So, students, if zeros of polynomial is given and we find the polynomial, then we use, students, there are two methods. Number one, polynomial p of x equal ax square plus bx plus c. Here alpha plus beta equals minus b by and alpha beta equals c by. Alpha plus beta equal minus b by and alpha beta equals c by. And student, second method, if we find the polynomial, then we use this method a x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Student, it means k means, student, non-zero real number. It means k की वैल्यू यहाँ पर जीरो नहीं है. k is not equal to zero. And students, alpha plus beta means sum of zeros. Or alpha beta means product of zeros. Okay, students. Now we using this concept. Now we solve question number second, exercise 2.2. Yes, students. Question number second, exercise 2.2. Students, in this question, find a quadratic polynomial. Each with the given numbers as the sum and product of zeros are respectively. Yes, students. Question number second, part first. Students, in this question, sum of zeros. Yes, students. In this question, sum of zeros given 1 by 4 and product of zeros minus 1, and we find the quadratic polynomial. In this question, we find the quadratic polynomial in which sum of zeros given and product of zeros given. Students, let that quadratic polynomial p of x equal ax square plus bx plus c. Students, in this question we suppose let that quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c and its zeros are alpha and beta. Students, in the board exam we solve this question this type. First we suppose let that quadratic polynomial p of x equal ax square plus bx plus c, and its zeros are alpha and beta. So students, sum of zeros. You know students, sum of zeros, if its zeros are alpha and beta, it means sum of zeros mean alpha plus beta equals 1 by 4. Alpha plus beta equals 1 by 4. And product of zeros, it means alpha into beta equals minus 1. Alpha plus beta equal 1 by 4, alpha beta equal minus 1. Students, what is the formula of alpha plus beta? Because alpha plus beta, it means minus b by a equal 1 by 4. Alpha plus beta, it means formula of alpha plus beta, you know students, minus b by a equal 1 by 4. And what is the formula of alpha beta? This formula alpha beta, c by a. C by a equals minus 1 upon 1. We write this number in this form, minus 1 upon 1. Students, our target in this question, we find the value of small a, small b and small c. We find the value of a, b and c. If we find the value of a, b and c and we put here, then we obtain a quadratic polynomial. So students, if we find a, b and c, first is here a equal 4 because minus b by a equal 1 by 4, a equal 4, and here c by a equal minus 1 by 1, here a equal 1. Students, you know, in this a equal 4 or here a equal 1, so first target we make both the value be same. It means हमको इस a की वैल्यू को सेम बनाना है. Here a equal 4, a equal 1. हमारा टारगेट क्या, सबसे पहले इस a की वैल्यू को सेम बनाना है. If a here 4, then we multiply this number. Which number? 4 by 4. So we obtain c by a equal minus 4 by 4. Minus 4 into 1. So 4 into 1, 4. Because students, now you know here a equal 4 or a equal also 4. Now students, we comparing both and we find the value of a, b and c. Yes students, a4, here a equal 4. It means if we comparing both, what is the value of a? It means a equal 4. a4 here and a4 here, it means a equal 4. तो स्टूडेंट, सबसे पहले व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंट इन दिस, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या इम्पोर्टेंट है, हमको इस डिनोमिनेटर को सेम बनाना है. इफ हेयर 4, देन वी मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर बाय 4, वी ऑब्टेन दिस वैल्यू here also 4. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, minus b equal 1. You know students, if we comparing both, minus b equal 1. If minus b equal 1, therefore b equal minus 1. Minus b equal 1, therefore b equal minus 1. And student, what is the value of c? C equal minus 4. Comparing c equal minus 4, it means c equal minus 4. Now students, we find each coefficient a, b and constant number c. Now we put this value, total all these value put in this polynomial. So students, if we put a equal 4, then polynomial is, what is the value of a? 4. So it means 4x square. What is the value of b? Minus 1. So we put here minus 1. It means minus 1x. And c equal minus 4. So we put here c equal minus 4. So students, this is our final answer, 4x square minus x minus 4. So this quadratic polynomial we obtain. Now students, this is your first question, now you are complete. I repeat this, sum of zeros 1 by 4, product of zeros minus 1. Student, first we suppose that quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Here alpha and beta are opposites to zeros. Alpha plus beta means sum of zeros 1 by 4 and product of zeros alpha beta equal -1. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Minus b by a equal 1 by 4 and alpha beta this value c by a minus 1 by 1. So student, first target we make both value be same. Here a4 and here a equal 1, so we multiply numerator and denominator by 4. It means c by a equal minus 4 by 4. Now we comparing both. And we find the value of a, b and c. Yes student, what is the value of a? A4. What is the value of b? Because minus b equal 1, therefore b equal minus 1. C equal minus 4. Now student, we put the value of a, b and c in this polynomial. Put a, 4, b, minus 1 and c, minus 4. Then we obtain this quadratic polynomial. So student, this question number your first part complete. Now student, question number second, part second. Yes student, question number second, part second. Student, in this question, sum of zeros given. In this question, sum of zeros given root 2 and product of zeros 1 by 3 and find a quadratic polynomial. Yes students, sum of zeros root 2 and product of zeros 1 by 3 and we find the quadratic polynomial. Student, first we suppose let quadratic polynomial p of x equal ax square plus bx plus c and its zeros are alpha and beta. I repeat this, let quadratic polynomial p of x equal ax square plus bx plus c and its zeros are alpha and beta. So students, alpha plus beta, sum of zeros root 2, it means alpha plus beta equal root 2 and product of zeros, it means alpha beta equal 1 by 3. Sum of zeros because given and product of zeros is also given. We write number this in fraction form. Now student, you know what is the means of alpha plus beta? Minus b by a equal root 2 by 1. Alpha beta c by a equal 1 by 3. Okay students? Now students, we use same process. Here a equal 1 and here a equal 3. Both value are different. So first, we make this denominator be same. It means we multiply 3 numerator and denominator. हमारे को इसमें स्टूडेंट यहाँ a इक्वल 1 है, a इक्वल 3 है, हमें इस डिनोमिनेटर को सेम बनाना है. इस डिनोमिनेटर को सेम बनाने के लिए हमको क्या करना होगा, क्योंकि अगर यहाँ 3 है तो हमको यहाँ भी 3 लाना है. इट मीन हम क्या करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. So students, we write here minus b by a equal root 2 by 1 multiply numerator and denominator by 3. Multiply numerator and denominator by 3. And students, c by a equal 1 by 3. Minus b by a equal 3 into root 2, 3 root 2 by 3. And c by a equal 1 by 3. Now students, denominator be same. Here a 3, a also 3. Now we comparing both and we find the value of small a, small b and small c. Yes students, what is the value of small a? A equals 3 because we comparing both sides. What is the value of b? Minus b equals 3 root 2 because minus b equals 3 root 2. Therefore, b equals minus 3 root 2. What is the value of c? C equals this one. I repeat this, students. A equals 3 because both value be same. Minus b equals 3 root 2. Minus b equals 3 root 2. Therefore, b equals minus 3 root 2 and c equals this one. Now, students, we put these all values in this polynomial. So, we obtain p of x equals, what is the value of a? 3. So, we put here a value 3. It means 3x plus bx. What is the value of b? B value minus 3 root 2. Minus 3 root 2 x. What is the value of c? Plus 1. So, students, this quadratic polynomial we obtain. So, student, question number second, 5 seconds, now you're complete. After that, student, now question number second, part third. Question number second, part third. So, question number second, part third. In this question, sum of zeros. Sum of zeros given 0 and product of zeros root 5 and find a quadratic polynomial. This question number second and part third. Question number second, part third. Yes, students. First is suppose let quadratic polynomial p of x equals ax square plus bx plus c and its zeros are alpha and beta. Should in this question sum of zeros given 0. It means alpha plus beta equals 0 and product of zeros root 5. So alpha beta equals root 5. What is the formula of alpha plus beta? Minus b by a minus b by a 0. Student, 0, this number we write in this form 0 by 1 and alpha beta, this formula c by a we write in this form root 5 by 1. Student, you know here a value same, a equal 1, a equal 1 here. If a value same, then we comparing direction. But student, if a value not same, then first we make the both value be same. So students, now we comparing both sides. Yes. What is the value of a? If we comparing both, a equal 1. What is the value of b? Minus b equals 0. Therefore, b equals 0. What is the value of c? C equals root 5. C equals root 5. Now, students, we find the value of a, b and c. We find the value of a, b and c. Now we put this value, we put all these value in this polynomial. So, p of x, a. What is the value of a? 1. It means 1x square plus b. B means this value 0. It means, students, what is the value of c? Root 5. So, what is the quadratic polynomial we obtain? 1 into x square, it means, student, x square and plus root 5. So, student, this is your quadratic polynomial. Okay, student. Now, question number second, part third, you are complete. Student, remaining question, same this type. Student, question number first, second and third part, you are complete. And 4, 5 and 6 part. Student, same this type and that question your homework. Okay, students. Now, this exercise 2.2. Now you are complete, and next exercise I will start next lecture. Okay students, thanks.